What's up, YouTube? Alright, today we're finally getting a chance to change the compressor on this thing. I have my reclaimer set up at the moment. I just fired it up. Got the Tester 550s set up, just reclaiming everything. My reclaimer. I got my recovery cylinder, the condensate dripping on it. The hell, keep it as cool as it can. Had to string power all the way from that disconnect all the way over here because they got no power up here. So I will catch up with you guys in a minute, and I gotta haul the rest of my crap up here. So see you in a second. Guys, new compressor's in, everything is brazed out. Change the filter dryer for that circuit. You just gotta wire this thing up, get it on a vacuum. Right now it's holding the pressure, So we'll throw it on the vacuum and we'll get to going. All right, boys. As you can hear, it's up, it's running. It was a different size discharge line, so I bent this up and made a brace joint up there. I made a new bend here because I didn't feel like trying to unsweat the old with the new, so got the new filter dryer in. I'm waiting on new filters for this. I'll take some screenshots as far as the bi-manifold is concerned. I don't have another set of probes, so it's not like I can get a full system test on this because it is 2 circuits, so I can't run it multi-circuit because I only have the manifold itself. So I'll kind of show you what's going on with it and we'll take it from there. Alright, so for the most part that's it. I mean, it's up, it's running. One more thing off the list on this roof. Still waiting on that condenser coil, that micro-channel coil. And I'm gonna jump over and we'll pop that curb up this morning also while we were here. The maintenance guy cut the hole and kind of pulled the rubber roofing up and whatnot. So he's gonna flash that in. We have our damper here, the backdraft damper, which has got to drop through, waiting on the duct drop just to get through the roof, and then we can measure whatever we need from the ceiling to our ductwork connection. And we got a temporary cap so we can pop that on the top, and whenever the electricians get here they can have the joy of humping that fan up and put it up on top. So other than that, we are good to go over here. All right, catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.